Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to unclog these spouts, which means we had to disassemble the entire spout assembly. The entire hoses over here need to go out. The entire display panel over here needs to come out as well as this part over here that needs to completely get removed so we can service the hoses underneath that distribute the coffee between this spout and these other spouts. So yeah, that's all what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using a little bit of steam and a little bit on this side by making a cappuccino. We do not have the frother of this machine or the cappuccino spouts or anything like that. So we will not be able to froth any milk. Excellent flow coming out through the spouts, no leaking anywhere around it, working great. Now we're going to do a cappuccino after we fill the beans inside the hopper. As you can see, the hopper bean sensor definitely works. There you go. More beans in the hopper, ready. And now we can do our cappuccino. Like I said, we do not have the frother or anything like that, so we will not be able to froth any milk. We will still be able to see the steam coming out through here, as you saw right there. And as you can see, nice pressure coming out through the one. Excellent temperature, as I burned my finger very early. Perfect. Working great. Excellent pressure. Now we're gonna be testing this spout. The machine came here because this spout was leaking. This spout was actually good, but we still went back on the back of this spout and cleaned everything inside of it. We did a nice cleaning cycle on the machine as well, and blow air through every single hose to make sure there's no any debris or anything clogging up the system. Nice stream coming out of that spout. Like I said, we do not have the whole adapter, so it's not like a nice gentle stream because it's missing this part. But that's exactly what you want to see when this thing is working without anything. And as you can see, these spouts are completely unclogged, working the way they are supposed to, having excellent flow and making excellent coffee. So there you have it, Jura Impresa C6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.